Welcome all to LEAD 2021. I am Vinayak Kaikat from Euroschool Hyderabad and going to present a presentation on fingerprint analysis. Definition of fingerprint. If the fingerprint is detailed enough, fingerprint analysts usually compare the latent print from the crime scene to the fingerprint of a suspect. Analysts compare qualities such as the general shape of the prints, the shape and the depth of the ridges in the print, and the length of each ridge. Where are fingerprints found? Fingerprints can be found on practically any solid surface, including the human body. Analysts classify fingerprints into three categories according to the type of surface on which they are found, whether they are visible or not. Fingerprints on soft surface such as soap, wax, wet paint, fresh caulk, etc. are likely to be three-dimensional plastic prints. Those on hard surfaces are either patent, visible or latent invisible prints. Visible prints are formed when blood, dirt, ink, paint, etc. is transferred from a finger or a thumb to a surface. Patent prints can be found on a wide variety of surfaces, smooth or porous such as paper, cloth or wood, or non-porous such as metal, glass or plastic. Latent prints are formed when the body's natural oils and sweat on the skin are deposited into another surface. Latent prints can be found on a variety of surfaces. However, they are not readily visible and detection often requires the use of fingerprint powders, chemical reagents, or alternate light sources. Generally speaking, the smoother and less porous a surface is, the greater the potential that any latent prints present can be found and developed. How are fingerprints collected? Collecting patent prints. Patent prints are collected using a fairly straightforward method, photography. These prints are photographed in high resolution with a forensic measurement scale in the image for reference. Investigators can prove the quality of images by using low angle or alternate light sources and/or certain chemicals are dyed during photography, but this is usually not necessary. The collecting latent prints. One of the most common methods for discovering and collecting latent fingerprints is by dusting a smooth or non-porous surface with fingerprint powder. It can be either black granular, aluminum flake, and black magnetic, etc. If any prints appear, they are photographed as mentioned above and then lifted from the surface with clear adhesive tape. The lifting tape is then placed on a latent lift card to preserve the print. However, the fingerprint powders can contaminate the evidence and run the opportunity to perform other techniques that could turn up a hidden print or additional information. Therefore, investigators may examine the area with an alternate light source or apply super glue before using powders. Who conducts the fingerprint analysis? In criminal justice cases, computerized systems are used to search various local, state, and national fingerprint databases for potential matches. Many of the systems provide a value indicating how close the match is, based on algorithm used to perform the search. Fingerprint examiners then review the potential matches and make a final determination. Fingerprint examinations may be conducted by forensic scientists, technicians, or police officers. However, the examiner should have the proper training and experience to perform the task. Currently, many agencies require new examiners to have a 4-year degree in science, biology, chemistry, or physics. In addition, agencies may require examiners to become certified by the International Association for Identification, which is also called as IAI. Activity time. To collect a fingerprint of your own hand. To collect a fingerprint of your own hand, you should take graphite powder. To make graphite powder, take either a scissor or a cutter and rub it onto pencil lid. And with the help of any brush, spread the graphite powder around your finger of your hand. Then, with the help of tape, stick it to your hand and wait for 1 minute. After that, take the tape out from your hand and see your own finger's print. Thank you.